having fun with the Second IMIJ crew. It's the Christmas holidays is officially here, and Russell and Tricia are here with me. And we also have to be aware that as Christmas passes, we move into looking ahead to the new year.
A different season.
A different season. And all year's day,
right,
you need
yes,
black eyed peas.
Black eyed peas.
My mom used to make me put these in my wallet for the new year.
So, them old people were serious with black eyed peas, you know.
Well, it worked for me. It worked.
It got you to the stage. Yes. I think it's a tradition in most Caribbean homes around the region. And sometimes it's not everybody's favorite peas, but all year's day you must have it.
Absolutely.
If you had to rate the peas, Russell, how you go down? Lentils, red beans?
Lentils, red beans. Yeah, black eye not high on my list.
Not high on your list?
No.
So I'm going to make you like black eyed peas.
All right.
Because I'm actually going to put it in a soup.
Okay.
And not a creamy, so I'm going to be extracting the flavor.
Yeah.
And doing a creamy
love
black eyed peas.
Soup is my #1 food.
I love a soup.
I could live on soup.
So
I'm very excited how this is going to go.
So basically some bacon,
Favorite
rendered,
food, yeah.
and you're smelling that lovely bacon.
Yes, I am.
I've got some onions going in there. So some good green seasonings going in there. And I also just want now, just add a little bit of garlic. Onions and garlic is like the key to
everything.
everything,
really.
everything. I swear by it now.
Yeah.
Right? Just get some garlic in there. Mix. At this stage, just a little salt and a little pepper. I like to season in layers, so I just don't forget. Salt and pepper. And as I said, thanking the folks at Regal for making this possible. So you just boil some black eyed peas, have it boiled and ready, and make sure it's cooked.
Can I ask you a question? How long do you have to soak it?
So I like to soak it overnight.
Okay.
Different people do it different ways, but I soak it overnight and then I just boil the hell out of it.
Until?
I throw a garlic or two in there. I like to push the
in.
garlic in there when it boils and comes together. And then you have your lovely black eyed peas. And you really just add this black eyed peas straight in there, you know. All that flavor you see happening in here, you add the black eyed peas straight in there.
See, I love food with texture, so that's like an ideal food that's happening right there.
Yeah. There are layers of flavor happening here with the bacon and the onions and the garlic. Oh my goodness, good stuff happening there. A little salt and pepper as I added the peas. And now guys, I'm just going to add 4 cups of whether it's chicken, vegetable, whatever type of stock you want to use. 4 solid cups.
What stock did you put in?
So I did vegetable.
Vegetable,
right?
okay.
Sometimes I go crazy if I'm doing a non-meat soup. And I just want a little meaty flavor. I use a beef stock. Yeah. And I just add 2 cups of water. So at 6 cups in all, you stir guys, bring this up to a boil.
Right.
And allow it to do its thing. It will take about 20-25 minutes. Bring it to a boil, let the flavors.
So it's not even like a long cooking soup, really.
So there's a little trick to it now.
Right.
And let me explain what I do. So when this comes to a boil, I then now take the mixture, take it over to my blender, and I puree.
Right.
Allow it to cool, puree, bring it down, puree it, and then you add it back to your pot. I'm adding a touch of heavy cream, just to
give it,
Cream it up.
Yes, the cream is to cream it up.
The cream is to cream it up. And then you get this guy.
Wow.
You see that?
Oh, that's delicious.
So,
I can tell right now.
It's creamy, lovely, black eyed peas soup. Who would have thought? Russell, you have a little thing right there, just wiping the...
That's it. Pleasure center activated.
Russell stayed on
Check him.
That looks good. I'm not a lover of black eyed. I have to admit, I'm not a lover of black eyed peas.
Well,
but
love it now.
That looks good.
Very big bold flavor. With that, you'll taste that little nice bacon kind of smoky
Getting
flavor.
in position.
Get in position. Get in position.
Wow. I've never even thought of making a black eyed pea soup. It's never occurred to me. And I should, because texture is a thing for me, so wow.
You'll thank me.
I
You'll
will-
thank me earlier.
I will thank you later, but I'll also thank you now.
Yeah.
I'm eating it now. And you see, it looks like it has like a rugged texture, which I like.
Much obliged.
So it depends
So
on...
you don't puree it to death. You don't.
So it depends on how you like it. So if you like it chunky,
I like the little texture
so
in it,
then
yeah.
you don't puree it smooth. I kind of like
So
it
more
just...
meaty.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
like it in a bit.
Because I've noticed that all the bacon is gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
But because
so
all the
it-
bacon is
yeah.
gone, and I'm just a lover of bacon,
Yeah.
As I am.
I have some more bacon.
This
that
is
I-
sprinkle.
Pushing my plate forward.
I just want a little touch of bacon just to remember that
That's
there's
what's
other
there.
bacon that
That's
in the
there.
soup there, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Enjoy, guys.
Tricia, you go. Let me.
You want me to burn my mouth first?
Yeah. you go up, get a blaze first. Is it good? All right.
And this is just how I like things. I don't like this like smooth. I love the fact that there's still little chunks in there.
Yeah.
Just feel like it. It's delicious. You're gonna love it.
I'm taking you home with me.
Just take the soup.
You have to get some permission.
Just take the soup. Just take the soup.
This is
This is
good.
great.
This is good.
great.
This is
really
good.
good. And of course, the New Year's Day,
And then,
you might be needing this.
Oh, after all year's night.
After all year's night.
Yeah, you get
This
your
is-
black eyed peas in.
Yeah.
All is well for...
It's lunch and go back in your bed. Oh wow, this is really good. This is particularly good. It's really, really good. But you know, if you were to put some sour cream too and like,
You do you. You do you. Yeah, you do you.
love it, love it.
January 28th. Guys, where can people get tickets? Or before the tickets, what can fans expect? What can fans expect
Well,
on January 20th?
Because of how we're doing it, we are going to go back into the books and bring out all the favorites that everybody loves.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a show of songs you love, whether old or whatever. It's going to be songs that you absolutely
Classic
love.
Second IMIJ songs.
Things that just the minute you hear it, just I remember when.
Yeah.
It's going to be feel good and it's going to be wonderful. And we, of course, as usual, are going to be having a ball on stage. Hope you guys can catch up and keep up because we're going to be having a ball on stage.
I want to just stick up it because you see you talk about, you hear those songs and it just brings back memories.
Yeah.
Hit my big
Well, firstly, we guarantee to do something for everybody.
Yeah.
Right?
On the company
Right?
floor.
So, this is what you'll be hearing this one.
Tell me.
I'm waiting.
You still on that?
Is soup? Is soup? Is soup?
Do it properly. Stand up and
Get on your feet! Well, I just waste a jump there. I shouldn't waste a jump.
Remember how I used to jump?
hey, bring it. Bring it.
You're right. You're getting on the counter
Auditions.
four.
You're
You're
Auditions are happening.
poison. Them woman is poison when they jumping up. Poison. You're getting go low. You're getting raise your hand if you're single. Raise your
I was
hand if
really
you come to
feeling
one.
down and out. Things didn't
You
seem
get
to
a
be
nice
coming
time.
my way. No, we have some nice tunes. We have some good things. Things that you know and love.
she also redid an original song by Second IMIJ.
Which we haven't revealed
We
yet.
haven't
It's like it's
revealed
an
yet,
old
yeah.
classic we did
So
way
new
back
things
when.
as
There's
well.
new things. We also
never
have
got
new
the
songs.
airplay, but it's a song
Right.
that the
Right.
whole group has always
So
loved.
you guys have to come.
Yeah.
We don't want to reveal everything.
Yeah.
But you have to come to feel
There's
the love.
one thing guaranteed. You're going to have
Yeah.
a good
Yeah.
time.
Where can people get tickets? How can we make sure people get down there?
Well, there's a few places to get tickets.
Incidentally.
Right. Tickets can be bought, found. Let me get found out of the way. Tickets can be bought at Richards at West Mall,
And Geopa Designs at Long Circular Mall,
Kinetic Mass Camp in Woodbrook.
and online at ticketsfederation.com.
That's ticketsfederation.com if you're shopping online.
Tickets are available now.
Yeah, and tickets are ready now. And I'm quite sure you can get tickets at the Anchorage, I'm sure.
Properly
Yeah.
scripted. Boy.
Yeah.
Properly scripted.
So we expecting to see all our fans.
Yeah.
We have been linking with people
Yeah.
online, you know, fans from Canada,
I
people
have
are
fans
coming.
from abroad that have already booked
Yeah,
tickets. So
people from the
it's
Cayman Islands are
exciting.
coming, people from Jamaica are coming, people from London coming.
All over,
You know, so
yeah.
it's going to be amazing.
January
Right.
28th at the Anchorage.
At the Anchorage.
I almost got that perfect.
Say no more because guys, come on down. I mean, if you were there, let me say it like the young people, if you know, you know.
Right.
Because
Yeah.
as I said, when these guys back in the 90s, when they bring that energy back on stage, Russell still looks like he has a lot of energy
Yes,
still
I
to burn.
Nothing happened to that energy.
Nothing
It's
happened to
there.
that energy.
And a lot of the original members, you know, Bucky on drums,
Right, you're saying, yeah.
Chasu on keyboards, Joey on guitar,
Yeah.
Tricia Lee, Hilton Dazzle,
And Ooze.
Russell C.
And Ooze.
Ooze on bass, Julius Cooper.
Yeah.
The
Right?
entire original.
band.
clip is
Entire
back.
original, with the exception of Johnny Gonzalez, rest in peace, and Uncle George Ningwai, rest in peace. But other than that, everybody is there. Plus you guys,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
fans will be
We
there.
will
So
be
you guys
there.
come
See
on,
you
man,
there.
come
We
on.
will be there. Merry Christmas to you both.
Merry Christmas and
to you
thank
too.
you
Merry
so,
Christmas,
so much for
Trinidad and
having us.
Tobago,
Take us over something
of
nice,
the
no?
Caribbean.
Oh.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, everybody.